Ad litem is the legal Latin meaning, for the purposes of the legal action only. Most often the term applies to a parent who files a lawsuit for his or her minor child as guardian ad litem, guardian just for the purposes of the lawsuit, or for a person who is incompetent. Either at the time the lawsuit is filed or shortly thereafter, the parent petitions the court to allow him or her to be guardian ad litem, which is brought ex parte, without a noticed hearing, and is almost always granted. A person acting ad litem has the responsibility to pursue the lawsuit and to account for the money recovered for damages. If a child in such a lawsuit reaches majority, 18 in most states, while the suit is pending, the ad litem guardianship terminates, and the new adult can run his or her own lawsuit. Some courts require an order terminating the guardianship ad litem upon proof of coming of age.